Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Top affiliate networks in 2025. In this video, I will share with you the top 7 affiliate networks that can help you make money online. You can work with individual affiliate programs from different brands, but I find that joining large affiliate networks like this in this video is better because you will have all your links under one roof. One login and password instead of hundreds. Your commissions will accumulate from all the brands that you're promoting and you will get paid from one company. It makes it easier for accounting and for you to keep track of your best performing affiliate products. Top 1 is called PartnerStack. If you look at their marketplace, you will see that they have mostly software companies here. If this is your niche, you definitely will need to join PartnerStack. Most of these products will offer recurring commissions, meaning that you will get paid every month for each client who sign up through a link just once. If someone pays for the software, say for 5 years, you will get paid for 5 years. Not all the software offers actually lifetime commissions. Some will offer commissions for only say 12 to 24 months, but it is still a recurring commission. Another great thing that you'll see here, commissions are as high as 20 to 30%, and business software products can often cost hundreds per month. So your earnings potential is great here, but it's not an easy niche to compete in. You can apply to any of these programs in one place, and then you will get paid by PartnerStack, either to your PayPal, bank account, or your Stripe account for any commissions. Top 2 is ClickBank. And this is where digital products take center stage. From ebooks to online courses, this network is a goldmine for everyone in the info product space. ClickBank has been around since 1998, and they are known for offering high commissions anywhere from 40 to somewhere like 80%. These commissions are only possible because of the digital nature of these products. Someone created it once and they can now sell it as many copies as they want without any additional expenses. So they can afford paying up to 80% to their affiliates. If you're good at promoting things like weight loss guides or personal development courses, this platform could be your jackpot. Top 3 affiliate network is RewardStyle or LTK. So let me tell you about it. It used to be called RewardStyle, don't get confused here. And here you can make money promoting products from big brands in fashion, beauty, and home decor. It was actually started by a fashion blogger in 2011. So building this network, she totally understood the needs of influencers in these niches. One of the coolest parts is you get your own personalized storefront where you can showcase your favorite products. It's super easy for your followers to shop directly from your recommendations, and it makes promoting multiple items a breeze. LTK works with over 7,000 retailers, so you will always find something great to feature. Plus, the commissions can be pretty good. It depends on the brand and on the product, but the potential is definitely there. To join, you will need to apply and they will look at things like your content quality, your audience engagement, and whether your vibe fits with their focus. Once you're in, you will get access to tools to create shoppable content, track your performance, and even collaborate with brands directly. Top 4 is Amazon Associates. Let's be real. Everyone knows Amazon, right? And it's one of the easiest programs to join and you can promote just about anything. Amazon is unfortunately known for suddenly dropping their affiliate commissions and for changing rules all the time. But the benefit again is that it's very easy to get accepted to Amazon Associates program. And it's the biggest marketplace that people already trust to buy from. Their cookie system is quite unique compared to other networks. If someone clicks on your link, you get credit for anything that they buy within 24 hours, even if it's not the product that you linked to originally. The downside, however, is that in just 24 hours, this cookie window expires. And so if someone visited your site once and they didn't buy right away, you will hardly make any money from that visitor. So it's always important not to just lose the traffic that you attracted to your website. You want to have a way to contact the same audience again to maximize your commissions. To do this, you need to focus on email marketing. Top 5 is Impact. This affiliate network has a larger variety of products. You will find here many software companies, by the way, and I noticed that many brands have migrated to Impact in the past few years from their private affiliate networks to this huge marketplace. For example, Bluehost, Teachable, and Shopify are working with affiliates through Impact. You will see a ton of huge brands across so many categories. Anything like baby toys, garden products, organic products, pets, and sports, and anything else that you can think of. The only thing that I need to mention here is that it might be a little harder to get accepted to Impact if you have a brand new website. But as you grow your blog and your social media following, you can get accepted here as well. And if that's your case and your website is brand new, you should use Amazon Associates. Top 6 is called ShareASale. This network is a favorite for beginners because it is easier to get accepted to this one. Here you will get access to over 30,000 merchants from a lot of different niches. Whether you're into niches like clothing, accessories, food and drinks, computers and electronics, or home decor, you will find something that fits your audience. And the commissions here, they range from 1% to 20% or even higher. While they're generally higher than what you will find on Amazon Associates, for example, in the same categories, it's a solid starting point if you're just getting into affiliate marketing. Top 7 is called Junction. This is one of the oldest affiliate networks, and it's perfect if you're looking for a variety or if you're not sure about your niche yet. With thousands of merchants, you can promote everything from travel to tech. The platform's interface is a bit dated, honestly, but the brands make up for it. Think of huge brands like Nike or Wayfair. Now you know which affiliate networks to join. Let me know what you think of this video, and thank you for watching.
Before we end this video, start your ecom store in 10 minutes flat. Create your own high-converting ecom store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere. Hundreds of ready-made plug-and-play templates. Easy to use, no-code ecom store builder. Dozens of payment gateways from around the world. Sell anywhere without restrictions. No profit sharing or charges per order. Create breathtaking sale pages for your products. Powerful analytics inbuilt, and a lot more. ShopFunnels is all you need to set up your ecom store. So what are you waiting for? Get ShopFunnels now. Just go to getshopfunnels.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.